Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for September 22nd to October 6th. For September 22nd to 26th, the pattern's forecast to consist of an upper low over the Gulf of Alaska, and we also have one near or over the Northeast. We go to the end of the period, and then we have a nearly zonal flow across the northern states, went near to above normal heights across much of the nation. Now, talking about the hurricane, or what we have, this is current look at Beta. And Beta is forecasted to be a tropical storm as it tracks slowly northeast along or near the middle upper Texas coast Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's the, let me get to this Beta. Here's Beta. This is the forecast track that is forecast to bring, and this system should weaken as it moves inland over the southwest Louisiana on Thursday. Now talking about Hurricane Teddy. Here it is. It's a beast. And it's out here, and we're going to take a look at that forecast track. And it's forecast to remain well east of Maine, keeping most of the impacts east over the open waters. And it's forecast to merge with a non-tropical low before skirting eastern Nova Scotia. The track, now we're going to get back to Beta. The track of Beta will bring heavy rains to upper Texas coast and Louisiana coast on Thursday. And we'll take a look at the rainfall forecast. Let me see, maybe a 6-7 day. This is where the heavy rain will be occurring. Here, we'll zoom in a little bit, and we have some areas of 4 to 5 inches. We'll back it up a little bit to 4 to 5 day, and you see we have the heaviest rain of 10 to 15 inches across this area here. And this is what we're expecting from Beta. Now we have another feature. Let me see if I have the right map right here. We will have a cold front that will move out of the Gulf of Alaska and bring several days of much needed rain to the Pacific Northwest. See it right there. And this will bring much needed rain to this area. And then this will also move into parts of the Rockies. Above normal temperatures are forecast for the Intermountain West and to the north central states. We're going to look now for the period for September 27th to October 1st. And we still have an upper low here over the Gulf of Alaska, nearly zonal flow across the northern states. And we still have this upper low here. And we have above normal heights across much of the nation, zonal flow across the northern states. Miles of good agreement with this. As we go to the end of the period, you see this is October 1st. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and I'm forecasting the greatest anomalies to be across the southwest, with anomalies approaching 12 degrees or more above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the northwest. Excuse me, the probability of occurrence is 35%. Below normal precipitation forecast here, but the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the period for October 2nd to the 6th. Most of the models are indicating very little change in the overall circulation. However, this is the European Ensembles, has a trough here over the northern Rockies. Also taking a look at The weeklies, this European weeklies, has a trough further east over the Midwest. Still is on a flow above normal heights here. So I'm kind of hedging because the weeklies and the ensembles are indicating a trough somewhere here. But for now, I'm going to go with a pattern that resembles more like that. So this is the GFS. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting little change in temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for Washington and Oregon, and the probability of currents is 35%. And we have below normal precipitation for much of this area here. Probability of currents is 35%. As you know, this is usually the driest time of the year, and we're going to take a look at the drought conditions. Here's where the greatest droughts concerned are, and we have SL, long-term impacts, longer than 6 months, short-term impacts, less than 6 months here. So we have some drought conditions that are affecting this region and parts of the Northeast. I know locally I'm like approaching what am I approaching? Like close to 2 inches below normal. And so this is where the drought impacts are most likely. Now, another thing, let's see. Okay, that's all I want to show now. So that's it for now. Oh, I want to take a look at the current conditions with beta. Here it is as of 2 p.m. It's located at 26.6 north, 92.7 west. Maximum sustained winds are 60 miles per hour, and it's drifting slowly to the west at 2 miles per hour. And then we'll take a look at Teddy real quick. And that's as of 2 p.m., 26.3 north, 59.9 west. Maximum sustained winds are 120 miles an hour. Cat 3, and movement is towards the northwest at 14. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for September 22nd to October 6th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.